What's the matter, little pink pal? Lonely? You got no place to go, huh? Oh, you got no friends neither, huh? Oh, that's a sad story. Poor little Panzer. No home, no friends. I know what. You're coming home with me. I insisted. Nothing's too good for my friend. Now, where is that keyhole? It was here yesterday. Thanks. There you are, you little old evasive keyhole, you. Shh, be very quiet. You know, the missus, she wouldn't understand. Follow me. We'll make a dash for the kitchen. We've made it. You fix yourself a snack, and I'll be right back. Okay? Oh, little Panzer! Where are you, little pink buddy? Oh, where'd that little pink Panzer go? Oh, hi there. Say, Blue Panzer, have you seen a pink Panzer around here? Oh, the wife.
Okay, where is he?
Who?
That drunken bum you must have brought home with you. You always bring some bum home.
There's no one here, dear.
Don't dear me. I heard talking in here. Now, where is he?
Well, if you really want to know, I got a Blue Panther in the refrigerator.
Very funny. If I catch one more bum in this house, out you go. Both of you.
She's gone. Oh, hi there. Hey, have you seen a Blue Panther? Maybe a pink panther? Oh, don't leave. If we get a couple of more panthers, we'll have a party, yeah. Oh, there you are, pink buddy. Hey, a friend of yours just left in a huff. We're not afraid of her. We'll just walk right up and tell her you're our guest.
The wife, quick, hide.
Say, that's a great trick. Oh, dear, you want to see a great...
Right, shh.
We gotta find you a place to sleep.
Attention! Yes, sir. Don't sir me. I'll bet he's in here. That's why you've got it so dark. I'll catch him yet.
Hey, that's a good trick. How'd you do it? Now you're all nice and comfy in your little pink sleeper bag. Shh. Well, what you know, the little old zipper broke.
Oh, no. Quick, hide. So, caught ya. Out you go, and take your caterpillar friend with you.
Caterpillar? You didn't tell me you were a caterpillar. quit following me. I hate caterpillars. They're all fuzzy. Yuck!